Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Miss.
Welcome to our mathematics class. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Igusti Agung Ayu Rai Angelita Utami. You can call me Miss Angelita. I will be your teacher for this class. Now, since today is our first day, I would like to know you two. Let's start with you. What is your name?
Nice to meet you. My name is Dewa Putra Agustia Pramana Putra. You can call me Agustia. I am leader in this class. How are you, Miss?
I'm very well. Thank you, Agustia. Nice to meet you too. Before we start our lesson today, let's pray first so that everything goes smoothly. Agustia, could you please lead the prayer?
Yes, Miss. Before start our class, let's pray together. Pray begin. Pray finish.
Thank you, Agustia. Now, please look at the screen. Today, we are going to learn a new topic, System of Linear Equation in Two Variables, or SLETV. Are you ready to learn, Agustia?
Yes, Miss. I am ready.
Now, let's look at the learning objective on this slide. Before we dive into the formula, let's see what we are going to learn today. There are four learning goals we want to achieve. First, you will be able to explain the definition of a system of linear equation into variables. Second, you will learn how to identify its characteristic. Third, you will learn how to solve SLETV using two main methods, the elimination method and the substitution method. Finally, you will be able to apply this concept to solve real-life problems, just like the coffee and cake recipes show on the slide. Sound interesting, right? Let's achieve these learning goals together, Agustia.
Yes, Miss. The receipt on the slide make me curious about how algebra can help us find the price of the coffee and cake.
Now, let's look at this slide. Our first topic is what is SLETV? As you can see in the box on the left, SLETV stands for System of Linear Equation in Two Variables. It is a system that consists of two linear equations with two variables. Now, let's look at the box on the right. Here we can see the main characteristic of SLETV. There are four important characteristics. First, it consists of two linear equations. Second, it has two variables. Third, each variable has a degree of 1, which means each variable is linear. Fourth, every equation uses an equal sign to show that the expression on both sides have the same value. Let's move on to the next slide. Now, we are going to learn about the general form of a system of linear equation in two variables, or SLETV. As you can see in the box on the left, a system of linear equation in two variables consists of two linear equations. Equation 1 is ax plus by equals c, and equation 2 is dx plus ey equals f. Now, let's look at the information in the box on the right. The letter x and y are the variables. They represent unknown values and each variable has a degree of 1. The letter A, B, D, and E are called the coefficients because they multiply the variables. Finally, C and F are the constant. There are fixed numbers. There are fixed number values that do not contain any variables. Now, let's move on to the next slide. Let's look at a real-life problem from a coffee shop and see how we can write it as a mathematical model. The problem asks us to find the price of one coffee and one cake based on the recipe. To write this real-life situation as a mathematical model, we first need to define our variables. Let x represent the price of one coffee and let y represent the price of one cake. From the first recipe, 2 coffee and 1 cake cost 35,000. Therefore, we can write equation 1 as 2x plus y equals 35,000. From the second recipe, 1 coffee and 1 cake cost 25,000. Therefore, we can write equation 2 as x plus y equals 25,000. Together, these two equations form a system of linear equation in two variables, or SLETV. Can you see how a real-life situation can be written as a mathematical model, Agustia? Let's move on to the next slide. Now, we will learn how to solve a system of linear equation in two variables using the first method, called the elimination method. The idea of the elimination method is to eliminate one variable so that we can find the value of the other variable. Look at equation 1. 2x plus y equals 35,000 and equation 2, x plus y equals 25,000. Notice that the variable y has the same coefficients in both equations. The coefficients is 1. Because the coefficients are equals, we can subtract equation 2 from equation 1 to eliminate y. Now, let's subtract the two equations. For the x term, 2x minus x equals x. For the y term, y minus y equals 0. So, y is eliminated. For the constants, 35,000 minus 25,000 equals 10,000. Therefore, x equals 10,000. Let's move on to the next slide. After using the elimination method, let's learn the second method called the substitution method. The idea of the substitution method is to replace one variable with a value that we already know. We already know that x equals 10,000. So we can substitute this value into one of the original equation. To make the calculation easier, let's use equation 2. X plus y equals 25,000. Now, replace x with 10,000. The equation becomes 10,000 plus y equals 25,000. Next, subtract 10,000 from both sides of the equation. We get y equals 25,000 minus 10,000. Therefore, y equals 15,000. Now, let's move on to the final slide. We have one last problem. What is the total price a customer has to pay if they buy 3 coffees and 2 cakes? To solve this problem, we write an algebraic expression using our variables. Since x represent the price of one coffee and y represent the price of one cake, the expression is 3x plus 2y. Next, we substitute the value we found earlier. X equals 10,000 and Y equals 15,000. The expression becomes 3 times 10,000 plus 2 times 15,000. Now, let's calculate the expression. 3 times 10,000 equals 30,000 and 2 times 15,000 equals 30,000. Finally, 30,000 plus 30,000 equals 60,000. Therefore, the total price is 30,000. Therefore, the total price is 60,000 rupiah. Great job, everyone. Now, let's move on to the next slide. It's quiz time. This quiz will help us check how well you understand today's lesson. The instruction says, determine the values of x and y from the following system of linear equation. You are given two equations. Equation 1, 2x plus y equals 11, and equation 2 is x minus y equals 1. You may use the elimination method, the substitution methods, or both methods to solve the system. Please write your answer in your notebook. Are the instructions clear, Agustia?
Yes, Miss, the instructions are very clear. We need to find the values of x and y using the method we have learned. I will start working on it now.
Time is up, everyone. Who would like to share their answer? What are the values of x and y?
I would like to try, Miss, using the elimination method and the substitution method. I found that x equal 4 and y equal 3.
Excellent, Agustia. Now, let's check your answer together. First, let's use the elimination method. Since the coefficients of y are opposite number, 1 and negative 1, we add the two equations together to eliminate y. 2x plus x equals 3x, and 11 plus 1 equals 12. So we get 3x equals 12. Dividing both sides by 3, we get x equals 4. Your answer is correct, Agustia. Next, let's use the substitution method. We substitute x equals 4 into equation 2. X minus y equals 1. The equation becomes 4 minus y equals 1. Next, subtract 4 from both sides. So we get negative y equals negative 3. Finally, divide both sides by negative 1 and we get y equals 3. Therefore, the solution is x equals 4 and y equals 3. So, your answer is correct, Agustia. To wrap up today's lessons, let's review what we have learned about the system of linear equation in two variables, or SLETV. First, remember the definition. A system of linear equation in two variables consists of two linear equations with two variables. Second, remember its characteristic. Its equation is linear, use an equal sign, and each variable has a power of 1. Third, we learned two methods to solve an SLETV, the elimination method and the substitution method. We can also use both methods together to find the solution. Finally, SLETV can be used to solve real-life problems, such as finding the price of items or determining unknown quantities, just like the coffee and cake problem we solved today. Excellent work today, everyone! Today, you learned how to build mathematical models from real-life problems, solve a system of linear equation in two variables using the elimination method and the substitution method, and evaluate algebraic expression to find the total price. Thank you for your excellent attention and participation throughout today's lesson. Before we end our lesson, does anyone have any question about today's lesson?
No, miss, everything is clear. Thank you for today's lesson.
You're welcome, Agustia. Thank you everyone for your active participation today. Now, before we finish our class, I would like to ask the class leader to lead us in prayer.
Yes, miss, attention please. Before we end our class, let's pray together. Pray begin. Pray finish.
Thank you everyone. Have a great day. Stay healthy, keep learning, and see you in our next lesson. Goodbye everyone.